So this is an all-natural facial toner that you can use, completely natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals, so really good for your skin and your overall body. Keeping our organs clean is what I'm all about, and that's why I love to mix these natural ingredients but still have that beneficial effect on the skin. So after cleansing the skin, this is what you're going to use as your toner. So first I have some witch hazel, which is an astringent for the skin, and I'm going to mix that into my bowl, as well as some pure aloe vera juice, which is also very soothing and healing for the skin. I'm also going to add in just a few drops of lavender essential oil. This gives it a nice fragrance, but lavender is also an antiseptic. It's also very cleansing for the skin as well. Now I love the smell that's coming up from this mixture from the lavender. It's so beautiful, and I'm just gonna mix that up. And now it's ready to go. Now certainly I could pour this directly into my container, and this is something that you can keep for, a few weeks in your sealed glass jar. So after you have cleansed your skin, you're just gonna use your cotton pad and you're gonna use this on the face as your toner. And you can use it all over the face as your toner, and you do not need to wash it off. So it's gonna dry up really nicely and have that nice clean effect on your skin.